Yes, I was asked about my kitchen and if I had a kitchen in this house. Well, there's the kitchen. There's a sink and coffee cups, a kettle, a microwave, a bottle of water, a refrigerator, and in front of the refrigerator is a table, mm, and a computer, and oh my God, a CNC milling machine. Yep, that's in my kitchen.